Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Welcome to Zisodel TV,
if you recall,
where you can get your
on May
latest
29th, Mr.
news.
President, of course,
As it
mentioned the
breaks,
subsidy is
breaking
gone,
news, yes,
and
events
we
are
encourage
placed
all
totally
the marketing companies
all around the world.
who
So
are
all
interested
you
in
need to do
importing
is
to come forward
just
for
press
licensing
the
to import.
subscribe button to
So
get
this meeting, I just
notification
called to
each
thank
time
some
we
of them
post,
that
so that
actually
you can
took
get
that
updated.
offer.
Stay glued to
We
the
have
channel.
now
We love
about
you.
56 marketing companies that applied for and obtained license to import premium motor spirit, and out of those, about 10 indicated their ability to import in the third quarter, which is July, August, and September. And out of those 10, again, 3 of them already have landed cargoes: Prudent Energy, AOM Shafa, and Emadeb, and others like 11 PLCs and others are also indicating their interest to import in August and September. So it's just actually to call for this meeting to encourage them to import so that they can displace, in a way, NMPC's dominance in the market, because this market is open for all to compete, and we're going to encourage all the marketing companies to come in and conduct their normal businesses in this arena. We are working with FCCPC in terms of consumer protection, so that no marketer takes advantage. But most importantly, what we are focusing on is, like you said, the quality of products coming in, so that it does not affect any motorist or any individuals in terms of damage to the equipment.